Welcome to this step-by-step guide on fixing a windshield washer that's not spraying on a Mercedes ML350. In this video, I'll walk you through diagnosing and repairing this common issue.
On a Mercedes ML350, my wiper washer, my windshield washer is not working. I can hear the motor works, but then the water is coming out. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and removed this pump here. As you can see, this is the cable, the two cables that go on to, this one goes onto the pump itself, and then the other one goes into the tank. And these are the connectors, the pipes. I'm assuming one is for the front and the other one is for the back. So what I found out is that inside this hole here, there is a grommet, this grommet there, and that's where this little piece from the pump, this one here, goes in like that, and that's supposed to get water from the tank itself and then into these pipes and go up. I've already tested the pump on a bench and I can see that it works, but what I found out was that when you took this grommet out, this was very dirty. There was a lot of gunk in here which we have to clean. So I'm gonna clean it up and then put it back and test it. Right.
And that's how you fix a non-working windshield washer on a Mercedes ML350. By cleaning the grommet and pump assembly, you can restore proper function without expensive repairs. To get to the pump, you will need to remove the wheel closest to the washer reservoir and the front undercovers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you solve your windshield washer problem.
We're gonna try and see now if it's gonna work. There we are. Water is back. It's working properly. Perfect.